drill run, or?
Nah, I'll just come into your. I don't really need it, like, I'm just here for fun. Brez was talking shit, so I ran him over.
Good man.
I think I broke his leg while he had to suicide. She was like, "Oh, Ronald, put your hands up, Ronald."
Yeah. Is he like actually from another country, or is he just an annoying little twat?
I can check for you. Brez is from Denmark.
Ah.
Brez is from Denmark.
Here, turn off the quad bike.
Oh, dude, I got pardoned for a 300k ticket. Like, I didn't even have to RP. I don't know if I told you this story. So I had a 320k ticket, I think it was, and Mr. Painbringer crashed a Hellcat in front of me when trying to do a tactical landing in front of me, and I was just laughing at him back at the. I literally went to the HQ, turned myself in just to laugh at him, and he pardoned me and told me to get the hell out of here. Every time he crashes, I send him a message saying GG.
I filled up your quad bike for you, Dave.
I just did a somersault and died. That was weird.
Shit.
But Dave's
I better
dead.
not blow up my helicopter. Oh.
You're dead, Jim.
Yeah, I'd watch out. Fuck,
What
man, I'll get a defib and come to the airfield.
I'm already at the airfield. I don't have a defib.
Shit.
Pick up his stuff. Shit, that quad bike is bouncing under my heli like it's...
Oh yeah, be careful. Yeah, you unloaded me and I just did a front flip back into it.
Oh shit. No! Fuck, don't blow up.
It's blowing
Where'd it go?
up, dude.
No! You're kidding me. You're kidding me.
What the fuck happened to it?
It flew up and blew up.
God damn it. Have you ever recorded? You might be able to get comp.
I do.
I have it recorded too.
Son of